Manufacturing X delivers technology insights into how smart factories really operate. Milk is not a simple beverage. It is a biological raw material that demands strict control. Unlike water or juice, milk begins to degrade the moment control is lost. This is why dairy production requires automation by necessity, not by choice. What you are seeing is not food preparation. It is controlled industrial manufacturing. Dairy manufacturing operates as a closed, hygienic, and temperature-controlled system. Milk never leaves a controlled environment at any stage. Hygienic design is engineered into every connection. Operations are governed by supervision and MIS, execution, not manual intervention. Raw milk enters the factory through sealed intake systems. Sampling is performed without exposing milk to air. Temperature control begins immediately after reception. Each intake is registered by MIS and linked to ERP genealogy from the first second. Even short-term milk storage is continuously monitored. Clarification removes physical impurities. Before thermal processing, preparation is precise and fully enclosed. Pasteurization is not just heating, it is controlled thermal profiling. Sensors verify every degree. Every second milk must remain within defined limits. 4. Defined durations. Homogenization ensures consistent fat distribution. Pressure control is as critical as temperature in milk. Homogenization. Extended shelf life. Processes require even tighter control tolerances. Every process transition is executed internally, fully enclosed and digitally logged. Product stability is preserved through controlled circulation. The critical time temperature profile is recorded to the historian and written into the electronic batch record. Any deviation triggers immediate action. Redundancy protects continuity and safety. Hygiene is enforced by design, not by behavior. Consistency matters more than speed. This is the core of dairy smart manufacturing. MES dispatches version-controlled recipes to PLC loop with full auditability. ERP, genealogy, and MIS execution connect materials, process data and quality status, end to end. Inline composition analytics stream through IART to MIS. Quality control in real time. Microbial risk is managed through process control. The system reacts faster than humans ever could. NAN, conform. Milk is isolated within a controlled system, not discharged. Cleaning is automated, validated, and repeatable through closed-loop system control. Even cleaning processes are continuously monitored through enclosed systems. Hygiene and uptime coexist through controlled logic. Safety is embedded in the system logic. Packaging is an extension of process control. Product integrity is preserved until sealing. Packaging materials enter controlled zones in a single synchronized flow. Quality checks continue through packaging. Defects never proceed downstream. Packaging completes the process, not defines it. Control does not end at filling. This is system design, not marketing. Finished products remain under temperature control. Storage is automated and traceable. Inventory follows. Defined freshness logic. MES confirms production. WMS executes cold storage. And ERP maintains enterprise traceability. Temperature integrity is maintained through dispatch. Control extends beyond the factory line. Stability defines quality. Dairy manufacturing is system-wide control. Milk processing is not about speed or volume. It is about control, safety, and consistency. MES measures OEE and downtime drivers, enabling continuous improvement. Hygiene is engineered into every step. Dairy production represents a higher level of food manufacturing, where biology meets industrial discipline. This is what a smart dairy factory looks like. Milk processing is not just food production. It is controlled industrial manufacturing.